Good news for a change from Tesla. It reported a profit and what's called positive cash flow. Yeah. Time to bring in Gary Gastelu, FoxNews.com automotive editor. All right. Can they keep up the production of the Model 3, and can they keep up the profitability?
Production, definitely, because keep in mind, they sold 56,000 cars, delivered 56,000 cars last quarter, but that was at half the production rate that they're hoping to eventually get to, even less than half. So if they're doing that now and they're doing it profitably, that's incredible news for the company moving forward.
So it's a very positive report.
Yeah, but look,
they're back in business. They're selling this thing. They got it on the market. This is all good, right?
And they haven't even gone to Europe and Asia with it yet. Now, look, they really micromanage production and sales, targeting the most profitable models. They move the models around. They change prices left and right over the past quarter. That really maximized the profits. Now, don't know if you can keep that up in the U.S. for another year, but when you've got Europe, you've got Asia just waiting for this car, there's plenty of growth to be had.
You're our car guy, so I'm going to ask you about Ford Motor Company. That stock has really been struggling recently. It's down to like $8 a share. What happened to them?
Look, what was the good news yesterday? That the trucks that they're going to shift to are making money, are gaining market share. You know, they've got Super Duty pickups that sell for up to $100,000 now. Wow. And they're selling a lot of them, making money, but they're losing money overseas. Now, what was the bad news there? Well, we're having trouble in Europe and Asia, but we can fix that. So that gets you back here. The big problem with Ford is they had nothing to say about the future. In fact, Hackett went out of his way on the call to say, we'll talk about that later, not ready to talk about it yet. Hard to get people excited if you're not willing to talk about something, and that's the difference with Tesla. I mean, even yesterday there he was talking about the pickup truck, the most exciting product they have coming up in the next couple of years, and it's going to be a couple of years away. Ford's the leader in trucks. It should be planting its flag and saying, this is what we're doing with trucks in the future. We've got a hybrid F-150 coming on, but that's the present, that's the past. Is there an electric one coming? I don't know. But if Tesla shows up with it, it may capture that flag before Ford gets a chance to.
Well, it's up 6% as we speak, but still only at $8 a share. Gary, thanks for joining us this morning. Good stuff.